The Air Ionizer from Pure Indoor Air, improving the air nature's way. Have you ever noticed the freshness in the air after a thunderstorm? The Air Ionizer from Pure Indoor Air creates that same freshness indoors. The Air Ionizer cleans the air by releasing negative and positively charged ions, just like lightning does in a thunderstorm. Installed in an HVAC system, the Air Ionizer purifies the air in 3 ways. First, the ions kill bacteria, viruses, allergens, and microscopic mold in the air and on surfaces. Second, odors and VOCs are broken up or neutralized. And third, the ions electrically charge extremely small particulate contamination, including smoke and atmospheric dust, causing the particles to attract into groups, enabling them to be captured in an air filter. The Air Ionizer is compact and adjustable, so it can be installed on the outside of the HVAC system or adjusted to mount inside the system with the supplied screws or the included magnet. The best location is often near filtration. This enables the filter to capture all of the ionized contamination as the purification process takes place. And the ions disinfect the filter, preventing bacterial growth on the fibers. For installations where the Air Ionizer would be exposed, the optional cover kit is required. The Air Ionizer is different than other air purifiers because it targets common air contamination that filters and other purifiers just don't address. The Air Ionizer is another indoor air quality product innovation from Pure Indoor Air.